Hi, my name is Alexandra and today I'm gonna show you how I do my everyday makeup. I wear less on my face because I realized my face is not so bad. I don't need to cover it up with foundation, and also I feel like foundation on my skin is not good. Even if I do my makeup for the video, I take it off quickly because I feel like it's just making my skin tired. I will never say it's too much eye makeup, but it can be too much of base. Now I use BB creams, and that's the second thing. So the first thing I'm gonna use is this e.l.f.'s primer, poreless body primer. I put it under my BB cream because I feel like it really does give a barrier to your face, so other things can't sink in. If you don't have a primer, don't worry, because before I just used to put BB cream on my face. I think that's how it's supposed to be worn because it's a cream actually. So either you put a primer or you don't put anything and you just put the BB cream on. I'm gonna put it mostly on areas that I have pores. So I'm gonna put it here, on my chin, and sometimes I kind of put it under my eyes because I don't wear foundation, but I wear a lot of concealer. Next step is going to be BB cream. So I use two different kinds of BB creams. I use this and that. Lately I like this more because I feel like it gives me a better coverage, so I'm gonna use that. Also, this is waterproof. You can see how it looks. It's not just a cream, it's a shade. I apply the BB cream mostly on certain areas, like here. So if I didn't have a mask, I would put here definitely because it's my highlighted point, and if I keep it without this whiter BB cream, it's not gonna look as nice. So I'm gonna highlight this triangle, so I don't actually put the BB cream all around my face. Since this is lighter, I use it kind of as a highlighter. BB cream is done, and we'll move on to next step, concealer. Here. By the way, this concealer you need only a tiny bit. If you have under eyes like me, you need more. Hide it and highlight it at the same time because I like to have that higher brow look. I like to blend my concealer with my fingers. It presses the concealer in your skin, and also your fingers are warm, so it kind of like melts on your skin and it goes nice and smooth on your skin. Concealer pencil. And I kind of try to hide the wing of my brow. I don't put especially anything on my lip, but I kind of pull it here and makes everything look smooth and flawless. The next thing I use is Lumina watercolor drops, which give me a subtle bronze. Simple to use. Just take a little bit like this and I put it on my hand. So it's a really light contour. And I take this brush. I think it's a Real Techniques foundation brush. I don't really ever use it for foundation. I use it for this purpose only. And I mainly contour my forehead, especially because my face is light and this is the most part that is seen under a mask right now. How about some more? And I'm gonna slightly do my cheeks. And I'm just more like tapping. And here I'm more like aggressive. So my hair was going everywhere, so I kind of just let it go for now. Anyways, so I'm gonna continue with the contouring and tapping. And I also have a little bit on it. And I like to do under my nose. It smells nice too. It smells fresh. So this is how I really lightly contour, and if I want, I sometimes also do this. But if I'm doing it daily makeup, then sometimes I skip it because it tends to get on your clothes, especially if it's winter. If it's summer, I think it doesn't care so much, but winter, you have a coat, and then the coat, if you have a white one like me, it will give some color. But I just do it really slightly right now, and I'm not gonna do anything else with my nose. So now I will do my brows, and yeah, I'm using a new thing actually. I got recommended in Sephora. Usually I use Anastasia one, or recently I really like this one, Urban Decay Brow Plate. But I'm just testing this one out for now. I'm gonna quickly fix them too, because I have a brow tattoo here and it's showing a little bit still, so I'm gonna hide that. Now I kind of tap it with my finger, make it blended in. If you have time, you can go again with the powder and powder this part if you put some cream product on it. I'm taking my Black NYX eyeliner and my favorite eyeliner, eye pencil and eyeliner, and I'm gonna start with my eyes. Sometimes I skip it if I don't have time, or if I don't have the mood to like go in my eye and poke it, but I'm gonna show you the full look. The most important part in this for me is that I do the eye from here inside. Now it just really shows on my face if it's missing from the inner corners. Maybe it's because I have permanent eyeliner till here. I'm gonna start my favorite part. And there's kind of like a specific shape I like to do it. I like to drag my eyeliner down and extend it, so it makes my eyes bigger and cuter. Now my eyeliner is ready, and in this makeup look, eyeliner shape is really important to me because I don't have any eyeshadow on, and it really changes the makeup look on what shape eyeliner you have. I'm gonna take the black, or sometimes I take purple, and I do a little bit here and here. I'm gonna do black today. Really little, but enough so I have something to blend. For my under eye makeup, I really love this kind of brushes. I have 3 different sizes, types of them. This one I use for most precise blending, so I'm gonna use this more dense one here to blend it. I don't wanna blend it the way, I wanna just blend it so it's more normal looking, not like a stripe under my eye. I can bring it a little bit closer to my eye, to my inner eye. Like this is enough. Another one too. If you want a little eyeshadow on, you can just take simple brush, take some brown, take some contouring color, and just concentrate here darker and pull inside a little bit. Sometimes I do that. Take this Kylie's Cool Tone Nude. I really like cool tones on me, that's why. And I put it here and I just pull it inside. And that's all for my eyeshadow. If you want to go in more, you can take a little darker one and do it like this. You know, this video is exactly how you start to do makeup in the morning, and I'm like, I'm gonna do a little makeup, and then I'm like, okay, maybe I put more. But as you see, it's nothing crazy, just adding a little bit color so everything will blend in together. Now we finished adding some color to our eyes. We're gonna do mascara. I have a lot of internet hyped products and YouTuber hyped products because I just look so many videos and I don't want to buy a random product that is not gonna work. The way I coat them, honestly, I don't have any special tip for them. I just do it. Sometimes, actually most of the time, I don't wear mascara daily because it's really hard to remove it, and that's why I don't like it. So, and since I have already so big eyeliner, the mascara is not so much seen. I can do the bottom ones now as well. I'm gonna add some blush and I'm gonna add some highlighter, and I do that in the end because I feel like it might brush off. Yeah, I want it to really be popping and seen. Another example of brushes. They're all similar shaped but different sizes as before, and I use them all for highlighting. This I use for my nose, for my inner eyes, for this part, this for my cheeks sometimes, but I also like to use this for my cheeks for a more precise look. So let's start. I use Bronze Goddess. Maybe they sell it under the name of bronzer, but trust me, it's highlighter. I don't do this every day, but I just want you to see the I want you to see how it looks like on camera. Do you see something? I don't know. And I do the same here. And you know, since the trend right now is that your eyes are like this, other people highlight this, but I also like to highlight this, the whole area here. I don't know, it just makes me look nice. I do a little bit here, a little bit under my brow. Take any really shimmery thing that pops and makes your eyes pop. So I have Pelapier's powders, which I really like, but sometimes for everyday use they are a little bit too grainy. Do you know what I mean? It has sparkles inside, so it might go in your eye and stuff and go under your eye, but I still like to use it out of the times. Another great option is Makeup Revolution's highlighter palette. It's Quaz, I think it's called, and I think I have the lighter version. I take this brush, I wet it with water, take some of the highlighter, put it here. Do you see? It's a regular highlighter, and see how nice it looks. Blending this one a bit. So this is how this one looks. Sometimes I bring it inside here a little bit, little bit. I really like here, see I dragged it more. I like how this looks too. Close this one and take this one. Usually the cap has enough for me to use on my eye, so I'm gonna tap it here. You don't have to use both of them, just pick something sparkly and good and put there. A lot of the times if I want to do simple makeup, I play with my under eyes, so a lot of the times I put purple here too, which I'm gonna do right now because I actually love it. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty's one, this purple shade. Brush like this, wet it a little bit, brush the wetness away a little bit. I drag it here so it mixes a bit. So that's the pop of color I do sometimes. Now we're gonna do the lips. I love lip tints. I have different kinds. There's a lot of lip tints in the market, but you know that the lip tint is good if it really stains you. Like if you put it on your hand, you try to wipe it off in the store and it doesn't come off. That's when you know it's a good lip tint. You'll have it for like tomorrow, 2 days. And see how it kind of like makes you a natural lip blush, like really pretty, and it doesn't go away, it doesn't bother me. And since I have it on my finger, I like to do this to give my cheeks a rosy look. If you see me walking around with the pink finger, that's why I'm already looking cuter. And I'm gonna do my lip liner. One brand I like, which is Isadora. I have like a nice subtle pink and a really natural nude, not like brown and not like some weird color. And they're also retractable. So right now I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna do more pink inside. Last step that I like to do sometimes is to plump up my lips a little bit, make them shiny. I have a lip oil and lip maximizers. They're kind of like tingly and they make your lips like plumper. I don't know if they really do that, but I just like them. So right now I'm gonna use a little bit of the lip oil. So that's my finished makeup. This is my kind of everyday makeup look. For a cafe, for example, I would do something like that.